Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Receipt Hog app works, what it offers, and whether it's actually worth using to earn rewards from your everyday purchases. Receipt Hog is a receipt scanning rewards app that turns your shopping receipts into coins, spins, and sweepstakes entries. The app supports most major stores, including grocery chains, convenience stores, gas stations, and even online retailers like Amazon. After shopping, you simply take a photo of your receipt, upload it through the app, and receive coins based on the total amount spent. These coins can later be redeemed for gift cards or PayPal cash, with a minimum cash-out threshold of 1,000 coins for $5. One of Receipt Hog's standout features is its slot machine-style reward system. Each valid receipt can earn you a spin on the Hog Slots, giving you a chance to win bonus coins or sweepstakes entries. Additionally, the app offers occasional surveys, which can boost your earnings and contribute to your overall coin balance. The more frequently you upload receipts, the more loyalty bonuses and multipliers you unlock, making it a bit more rewarding for long-term users. However, Receipt Hog does come with a few drawbacks. First, there's a limit to how many receipts you can upload each day, and processing times can be slow. Not all receipts are accepted. Certain categories like restaurants or non-partner stores may be rejected. Also, earning coins can be quite slow unless you're uploading receipts consistently and participating in all bonus opportunities, meaning it could take weeks or months to reach the minimum payout threshold. Overall, Receipt Hog is a legit way to earn small rewards passively from receipts you'd normally throw away. It's best suited for users who shop frequently, don't mind occasional surveys, and enjoy the gamified feel of spins and bonuses. While it won't replace your job or cover bills, it can be a decent passive side perk for consistent shoppers. If you're looking for something quick and high-paying, this might not be the app for you, but if you're patient and consistent, Receipt Hog does deliver on what it promises. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.